My name is Kathy Nguyen, and the topic I chose to base my sociology project on is technology. Technology is the application of science to address the problems of daily life. This is an important topic to be looked at by sociologists as new technology is continuously being invented. Some obvious examples of these are traveling by car, communicating via text or email, and finding information through the internet. Thanks to these technological advances, we are almost forced to adapt to many social changes, such as how we travel, learn, work, and interact with others. These technological advancements are also considered to be fast-paced and continuous, but they are not always equally accessible to everyone, thus making it hard for us to adapt in our society. Here's a short video that I found on YouTube that I thought was interesting and explains how technology could be affecting us. I will be analyzing technology through the lens of the sociological theory functionalism. Functionalism is the theory taught by the philosopher and biologist Herbert Spencer. The theory focuses on the way each part of the society functions together to contribute to the whole. More specifically, it means seeing society as a structure with interrelated parts designed to meet the biological and social needs of the individuals in the society. In terms of technology, functionalism sees the contribution that technology and media provide to the stability of society, from facilitating leisure time to increasing productivity. Technology today has changed how we entertain ourselves, like playing video games, watching Netflix. There's an endless list of entertainment provided by technology. But because technology, we are able to make things easier for ourselves, like video conferencing your team to discuss a new project at work, or even just communicating with your friend via text. This example is actually one of the few manifest functions of technology. A manifest function describes the sought consequences of social process, which in this case is a cell phone. Contrastingly, technology also has many latent functions, which are the unrecognized or unintended consequences of a social process. An example of this is the intention of television. Television was invented for the ability to watch shows, movies, and the news. Consequently, kids today are watching television instead of doing their homework and also being exposed to violence at an earlier age due to such accessible media. I found 3 sources that provided previous researches on technology. The first source showed a qualitative analysis on how technology was used as digital tools in collecting and analyzing data, and how its advancement helped or didn't help. The researchers had compared the quality and effectiveness of data collection and analysis by doing so manually and digitally. The second source I found was from Pew Research Center, where they conducted a survey to over 2,000 Americans over the age of 18 on their status of their internet or technology access via landline or cell phone. The results of this survey showed 88% of American adults have a cell phone, 57% have a laptop, 19% own an e-book reader, and 19% have a tablet computer. In the last source, I also found on Pew Research Center, Aaron Smith in 2015 also conducted a survey to show smartphone usage by all age groups in the US. The results of this survey showed that these smartphone users rely heavily on their devices, and a lot of times it is simply to avoid boredom. The primary focus groups from the previous researches I found are people in the United States. I would like to open the surveys to other parts of the world to see the contrasts and/or comparisons between their use of technology and ours. If I were to conduct a research method on technology, I would conduct a field research, more specifically, our participant observation. An advantage of this research was that I would be able to give detailed, accurate, real-life information and see how these individuals I am observing react with technology. I would see how much people really use their smartphones out in public and maybe even see what they use it for. The disadvantages of conducting this research method would be that it is time consuming. I would not be able to know what the people I am observing thinks, and therefore I would not be able to organize qualitative data. In conclusion, technology is an important aspect of human behavior and society. It helps society perform their everyday lives more efficiently and conveniently. But there are also many consequences and issues that may arise that can affect society negatively. Some questions I would like for the class to think about are: how do you think technology has affected our society? Please provide some examples. And how do you think technology is affecting perception of our needs? Thanks for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed and learned lots.